Please don't forget to click and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and at the same time to subscribe for my page, my Facebook account, and also my TikTok. I'm here to give you an update and information about this particular machine. This is a Bosch washing machine. It's a Bosch washing machine, and I want to carry it out about some basic maintenance about this washing machine. It's not hard, but in case you have these appliances at home, you can learn how to do some of these basic maintenance of it. So just keep watching me as I'm going to demonstrate, the way to do some cleaning, thorough cleaning for this washing machine. This machine you see here is 6 kg loader, and I've been using it for more than 2 years now. So watch the way I'm going to do the maintenance right now. Let's watch. I have water here inside this bucket. I'm going to add detergent soap inside it. Now, once you have to make this soap, this rag to be wet in order for it to clean all the dirty on it. So we'll first do it like this. Clean this side. This side. This. Clean it like this. Clean it. Clean the edge. Do you know why it's very important to make sure you clean this washing machine almost every time? In order to prevent rats and some insects, all these reptiles, to hide inside it. Because by the time you get dirty, you'll be able to penetrate, because that attracts them. The dirty attract them to it. So you clean it like this. Very easy. So you have to clean this side of it fast as well. After you have done that, you open it like this. Clean the interior. Get this interior like this. Clean the interior like this. You dip your hand inside. Make sure that everything is properly. You may think that it's not necessary to do all of this, but to me it's very necessary, which I know. It's also good for you, because it's always good to be neat and clean. This side as well. This side. Now, you can see that the washing machine is sparkling clean right now. Now, the only problem this washing machine normally have is the rotor, the bearing at the back of the engine that used to spin like this. So once that's spoiled, you can replace it. Every other thing, there's no problem.